Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Mega love shout out to all the subscribers and followers of this channel. Today, we're going to say essentials of fractions for everyone, and this is math with teacher Marife Adonis. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now, so we have here number one direction. Draw a circle for proper fraction, square for improper fraction, and star for whole or mixed number before its item. Now, so let us review first. No? So proper fraction are fractions that the numerator is less than the denominator. An improper fraction is a fraction whose numerator is greater than the denominator. And a whole number or a mixed number, it has a whole number and a number. So that's why we call it mixed, no? So number one, 6 over 7 is, of course, a proper fraction. So let's draw a circle. Number two is a improper because 11 over 4. And also number three, 12 over 2 is, wait, this could be correct, but if you're going to put this, 12 divided by 2 is 12. That's whole number. So you can write also star. So you, your answer will be both square and star. So of course number 4 is a mixed number, 2 and 4 over 9. So of course this is star. 23, 25 is a proper fraction. 14, 17 is a proper fraction. 5 and 11, 13 is a mixed number, so the star. 21, 5 is an improper. 42, 42 is a whole number, so because 42 over 42 is 1, so we can write it's a star. And of course, star then the number 10 because it's a mixed number. Let's move on to the next slide. So direction, encircle the fraction that does not belong to the group. Now, when can we say that the fraction is not belong to the group? So look at this one. 1/3, 4/5, 6, 7, these are all proper fractions, unlike this one, no? So 10 over 9 is an improper, so it's not belong to the group. Number 2, 11, 7, 6, 5, 3, 4, 2, 2. Okay, so these are all mixed number and a whole number. So the only not belong here is 3/4 since it is a proper fraction. Number 3, we have 4/5, 2 and 1/3, 6 and 7. So all the rest are mixed numbers. So the 4/5 is not belong there. Then for number 4, we have 13, 25, 3 and 6, 7, 6, 7. So all of these are improper and mixed numbers, so the only answer is 13 over 25. Number 5, 6 1/5, 13 2/3, 11 5, 1 and 2/5. Okay, which does not belong. Okay, so this is improper and the rest are mixed number. For number 6, so we have here um, all of these are 1 and like this is 10. Okay, now let's move on to the next slide. Right. Number 2, we have directions. Draw smiley face if the equation is correct, and sad if not after its number. So, okay, so we have here 10, 6 is equals to 2 over 3rd. Okay, so when we are going to convert an improper fraction to a mixed number, so 10 divided by 6 is equals to 1. Okay, so 1 times 6 is 6. We have 10 minus 6 is 4. That is 6, 1 and 2/3. So because the answer is 1 and 4, 6. And we can reduce that to lowest term. That's divided by 2. No? So we have 1 and 2/3. That means the equation is correct. So we can draw a smiley face there. Okay, next. Um, uh, Number 2, we have 29/6. So we have 5 times 6 is 24 plus 5, 9. So 29, this one also is a smiley face. Okay. So you can do the opposite. If it's so hard for you to convert this into a mixed number, look at the mixed number. 13 times 2 is 26. Diba? 26 plus 2, that's 28. So that would be 28/13. And 28/13 is not equal to 54/13. So this is one is sad. Yeah, it's a sad face. Next, number 4. 26 times 3. Let's see now. 26 times 3, that is 3 times 6 is 18. Okay, bring down 8, carry 1. So 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1, 7. Plus 9. We got 17. And we have 97. So 97/26 cannot be 113.6. So this one also is a sad face. Okay. Now what about number 5? The 38 times 3. Okay, so we get 24. Bring down 4, carry 2. 3 times 3, 9. Plus 2, 11. Plus 7 equals 121. So this one is correct. So 121/38. So this one is a smiley face. Okay, next. 3 times 5, 15 plus 1, 16/5. So this one also is a smiley face. Okay. Next, 9 times 7 is 53 or 6. 5 times 9, 9, 7, 8, 20, or silly. Let's do the opposite. 60 divided by 7 equals 8, because 8 times 7 is 56. Am I correct? So we have 4. The final answer is 8 and 4/7. So this one is sad face. Okay, so and with this opposite, 9 times 7 is 6. 70. The ano to, this is 6. 63. Yeah, 63, 70, 63 plus 4. Okay, next, number 8. 22 times 13. So let's just erase the other. We got here 13 times 22, 6 2 6 2 6 8 2 plus 7. We got 13 9 290/22. So this one is a smiley face. Yan, a smiley face. Okay, so 10 times 51 plus 3, 500, 10 plus 3, 2. This one is my lead also. Okay. 17 times 11. So, of course, tangalata naman whether isosolve mo pa yan o hindi. It's sad face. Okay, next, let's continue. Okay, write yes if the fractions are equivalent and no if not before its number. 2856. What is the GCF between 28 and 56? Can write 7, right? 7. Tama ba? 7. 28 divided by 7 is 4 over 8. So this is no. No. 36 and 106. Okay, so divided by 2. 18 plus 18, 36. Divided by 2. So we have 18. So 106 divided by 2 is 53. So this one is yes. Correct. 20 and 25. So this is 4/5. And this one divided by 4. That would be 4 times 4, 16. So that's 2 over. So definitely this is no. Because if we divide it by 4, 64 divided by 4, we have 1, 4, 24 divided by 4 equals 6. That's really come 16 over, oh, so we have 2 over 16. So definitely this is not correct. 1035, so 5, 7, yes. 12, 15, so we can divide it by 3. 3, 15, 4, 4, no, 3 fifth. 3 fifth. I don't know if this would be 3 fifth. Divided by 8, so 3. Okay, 3. 40 divided by 5 is 40 divided by 8 is 5, no? So 3 fifths. Yes. 13, 20. Of course, this is not correct. Now let's check number. Okay, write the fraction in simplest form. Okay, you can do it on your own. This one is really easy. In simplest form, you can divide it by 25. Okay, so the answer here is 1/4. Okay, so just like what we did on those first and second, you can do it on your own. Okay, let's bye bye guys. See you around. Love you all.